Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
We need to mount the overlay panels on the appliance before we place it in the niche. So we're going to prepare the appliance for the application of the overlay panels now. We have the adjustment bolts that we'll install on the bottom of the drawer first. And they go into a couple of nutserts that are in the bottom of the drawer. You'll be able to feel your way around. Just turn them in 2 or 3 turns. Leave them loose. We'll adjust them later once the panel goes on. And then we're also left with all of the hanger bolts and adjustment screws. These are designed in such a manner that the hanger bolts have the brackets hang on those that are mounted on the panel, and then we have adjustment screws or set screws, which will help set the depth of the panel in the Z direction off of the appliance door. So go ahead and install all of these. The hanger bolt gets installed inside the recess. Once you catch the thread, you only need 2 or 3 turns. You still want the hanger bolt out enough so that when the bracket, which is mounted on the overlay panel, can fit over top. And you see once the bracket's in place and the panel's in place, we will have the ability to adjust the panel left and right, as well as up and down, and still be engaged with the hanger bolt. Being able to adjust in the Z direction is achieved using this set screw. Again, the set screw is installed with the Allen key head going into the appliance door. And so we'll thread that as far down as we can. We want it basically flush with this foam surround piece. If it's difficult to do with your fingers, I'll show you how to adjust it from the inside. Sometimes the set screws are a little more difficult to get all the way in so that they're flush with the foam, just using your fingers. So what we can do is basically open the door, and this is how we'll make all of our adjustments later on once the panel is installed. But using your 4mm Allen key, you can go through, gently pushing the gasket back out of the way, make sure you don't do any damage to it, and you can engage the set screw and thread it the rest of the way in until it becomes flush with the foam. The good thing is if you forget to put these set screws in place before putting on the panel, you can always add them from the inside. The ideal scenario will be when we mount the panel on this appliance that we'll be able to pull it right down tight to the front. But in cases where cabinetry is not always plumb or true, or you need to line up with adjacent cabinetry, these set screws come in handy for being able to set the depth at these 6 fixing points. And we'll do the same thing to the drawer face, putting in the hanger bolts and the set screws.